Cuídate Más, disfrutas de un estilo de vida más saludable con el delicioso sabor y la practicidad de Food. Porque tiene productos reducidos en grasa y hechos con carne 100% de pavo. Con la gran variedad de Food Cuídate Más, cuidarte sabe mejor. Food, encantados de ayudarte.
Con Easy podrás llevar tu marca a millones de hogares con campañas publicitarias nacionales o locales. Llámanos y descubre el paquete publicitario perfecto para tu marca.
Una historia de amor, nada tradicional. Y una heroína muy original. Ambas en un mismo canal. Superman y Lois.
Lo que recuerdo con más vividez es cuando la conocí.
Kung Fu.
Literalmente flotaste en el aire. Eso no es práctica.
Nuevas series. Siempre en Warner.
Hey, check it out. Who's the Wilson sisters?
More like the Wilt Chamberlain sisters. And I never noticed how big they are. But I'd still bone!
Oh my god. Is he?
Dude, are you hitting Karen Googlestein, the soap heiress, too? How'd you keep that shit dangling?
I keep telling her I'm gonna break up with my girl.
Better hope Heather doesn't find out.
She won't. At least until I wrap up this big deal with her father.
Hey, Mr. B!
And look, there they are. The Fen twins.
They're hot.
What, are you blind? That's Heather and Megan Vanderbilt. Your sworn enemies since you were like, I don't know, 8?
Totally. Did I say hot? I meant not. Totally hate her.
Did you guys hear about Megan? She got stopped by security at Saks trying to pull a Winona.
Megan.
Huh? Oh, God. Come on. This is gonna be fun.
Look who just flew in from the slums of Beverly Hills.
It's the Beverly Hillbillies.
Squeeze me? Oh, no, you dick. I'm sorry, but we just saw your new video. Yeah, they had a screening over at Saks Fifth Avenue in the security office. A kleptomaniac.
Your mother shops at Saks.
What? Oh my God, you want to talk about mother? Oh, you want to talk about mother? Take mother time. Okay, your mother's so dumb she went to Dr. Dre for a pap smear. Oh, something's wrong, Dr. Dre. Why couldn't she do a beatbox?
Yeah? Well, your mother's so stupid, she exercises when she could just get, like, liposuction or something.
Yeah.
Your mother's so old that her breast milk is powdered. You breastfeed like this.
Your mother is so, like, she's so...
Megan, you go. Your mother is so stupid that she goes to Barney's Rooftop Deck restaurant for lunch and orders a niçoise salad and calls it a Nicoy salad. Nicoy salad, right?
Your mother's ass is so hairy, it looks like Don King's about to pop on the thing.
Only in America.
Your mother's so stupid that she goes into Gucci and she tries to buy, like, Fendi and stuff.
Megan, Heather, come on now, girl. Is this any way to speak to your party guests? Wow, Brittany and Tiffany Wilson. Haven't seen you since you were smaller.
Yeah, well, we're all grown up now.
Yeah, I can see that. Ladies, I fully expect to see you later at the white party. I think it's going to be the best one ever.
We'll be there. Take care. Bye. Bye, Mr. B. Good seeing you again.
This isn't over yet. This is a long weekend. You better watch your back.
Ladies,
Whatever.
I can't believe you guys just did that to the Vandergelts. You know, they could take you off the scene just like that.
Yeah, but it was so cool, you guys. So cool.
Isn't that Denise Porter from New York One News?
Oh, yeah. I'm working on getting you an interview with her. Great for your image.
I think I'm gonna go over there and introduce myself. Do you think now's a good time? Actually, it's a perfect time. Wouldn't want to miss a photo op. Oh! See you later.
Have fun. What's wrong, honey? Did you just get cramps?
Yeah.
Do you need a tan?
Just
Heating pad?
Hors d'oeuvres?
Oh, thank you, Wolfgang Paco. Would you give that to baby? Thank you. Bye, Chico.
Bon appetit.
Vámonos.
Hey, I'll have one.
Hi, my name is...
Brittany Wilson, of course.
Yeah! How'd you know? Brittany Wilson, yeah!
Well, it's my job to know. Besides, your publicist, Tori, has been calling me non-stop about setting up an interview with you.
Yeah, well, if I would have known you were so beautiful, I probably would have called you myself.
Well, if I wasn't mistaken, I think you were flirting with me, Miss Wilson.
Me? Flirting with you? A girl? Never! Sorry, honey. Only beef.
Boy, you're really strong, aren't you?
From all that protein. Oh my god. These are delicious.
You might want to slow down on the cheese.
You mean there's cheese as in dairy cheese?
Yeah, unless you know another way to make quiche.
Ladies, I think I gotta go to the bathroom.
Oh, good. Well, go ahead.
No. I can handle it myself. Thank you, though.
Like we're gonna let you go alone.
Yeah, come on.
We're trying for touch-ups anyway.
Move, bitch.
Oh my God, you guys, Heath is here. What should I do? Karen, I don't understand what you see in him. He's an out-of-work actor living in a share house, and he drives a 3 Series BMW.
Tori, I really think that you need to cut Heath a little bit of slack, okay? Because his aunt just died 4 years ago, and he really needs new headshots. He's just going through a really rough time right now, okay? You okay? Is everything all right in there?
It's fine.
Shit. Tim, we're just gonna meet you outside, okay?
Okay.
Man, it may be summertime in the Hamptons, but it is snowing up in here. Tony, hand me my boots, because I'm about to go skiing.
Great game last night, Latrell.
That's what I do, baby. That's what I'm talking about. A white girl with a black girl's ass. I'm taking that home to mama. Pardon me. Santa must have come early this year, because you were first on my Christmas list.
Woo, there it is right there.
I want to know,